Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If in the Capcut your effects are not loading, I'll show you the best VPN. I'll show you the fix to load the Capcut effects. So as you guys can see here, if I open any video and apply any effects on that video, I'll show you. If it says that effects no internet connection, how you can load the effects. So I have fixed that issue. As you guys can see here in my case, the trending and the pro open closing, every effect can be unlocked. So how you can do that? So if you are in India, of course CapCut is banned in India. That's the reason the CapCut is unable to load the internet server in the India, right? So if you want to use CapCut in India, you have to use a VPN. So just open App Store and search for Super VPN. So this is a VPN I have been using from last 3 or 4 years. So you can just update or install this VPN. The name of this VPN is VPN Super Unlimited Proxy. I just call it Super VPN, right? So in order to connect to VPN, you just simply open the application, and here you guys can see here, cross this add, and now what you have to do, just simply proceed with ads. Here you have to click on fastest location and make sure you select any US network and connect with it. As it will connect, it will show you in the control center that VPN is connected. So that's a pretty much good thing. Open the CapCut, and now if the effects are loading, good job. If not, again reclose the CapCut, open it again, and then open that video again, right? And load the effects now. So what it will do, it will reload the CapCut and effects will start downloading or reloading, right? Now you can apply any effect. Make sure VPN is still working, right? And if you want to turn off the VPN, you're done with your video editing, you can just simply turn off the VPN from this secret shortcut. Jump to settings, open VPN, and click on close. Like, it will be like getting stubborn to turn off, but you have to do 2-3 times to turn off, right? There you go, 3 times to turn off and it will be turned off. So that's it. In order to use the VPN again, you can just simply turn on the VPN shortcut and you can just simply use the CapCut. Make sure you have the VPN written over on the text on the iPhone, right? So that's a pretty simple fix. Hope you guys find this trick helpful. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Thank you so much.